ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Dr. Amperin Lengdo ka balongga MLA jongga National People's Party bat ka menteri jongga Sarkar Jilla. Kala ong balada ka party ka Ibit ban Pdiang ya ka kum ka Kyrtong na Shillong parliamentary seat. Ha ka election Lok Sabha ka ban Salong House nem ban sawan. Kalong ka ba Kloi ban Pdiang ya ka jing terwa jongga party. Ha ka jing ya keren bat kilat pathai kubor ha ka arpu wai tarik unai weng arajar arpulai. Ka Dr. Amperin Lengdo kala ong ban naladehi kamdon AA ban ong halor kani ka jingmi kubor namar baka syong haga party ban rai yano ban ai tiket haga election Lok Sabha.
At this point of time, it is not correct. And I feel that the party is the competent authority to share this kind of information with you. There are procedures that they probably have placed. There are, interests that have already been expressed. So as a party worker and one who's here to serve the people of the state of Meghalaya, I will take up any challenge that my party thinks I am in position to take. So, without saying anything at this point of time, I cannot comment on this. Party is the ultimate decision taker. I am a representative of the people. You put me up to a task to represent my people, I will not shy away. No decision for me to make. The party takes the decision. The party is going to be deciding. I am a worker of the party. I am a leader of my people. I will rise to the challenge at any point of time. Challenges come and go. No one at any point of time can say that too much on my plate. What comes to your plate is something which you have to decide. Can you digest? Can't you digest? And at this point of time, it's just destiny repeats itself. History repeats itself. I've always been put up to these kinds of challenges, and I have never shied away in the past. Why would I begin to recede into doubt? I am a person who takes up any challenge as it comes. I bite more than I can chew either, and this is something not beyond chewable. It is not something which is out of the ordinary. I am a qualified person. I have the experience. What is this? It's just another election. What makes you think that I cannot do it? But we leave the wisdom of the selection procedure to those that will select, which is the electorate. But I cannot shy away from it. I cannot be afraid of it. I will take things as they come. I have evaluated it. I know it will be difficult. Nobody said it's going to be easy. I will do the needful. And my team is the most important thing. I cannot go for an election if my team is not mentally prepared. So is the NPP team ready? This is 36 constituencies for one Shillong parliamentary seat. Are all the 36 blocks going to rise and come forward to help me? They will decide. The party will decide. Because once you put me on a task for something, I work very hard. They have to keep up to the pace, and I hope they will be able to keep up to my pace. And I am no one to influence that. You cannot influence it. But if they are putting me up to the task, I will rise.